How to edit an alert in TradingView. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you are on TradingView and wondering how to edit an alert, whether you need to change the price level, update the alert condition, or adjust the notification setting, you can easily modify your existing alert. First of all, launch open the TradingView application on your device and log into your account. Now, once you're inside the main homepage, open up the chart and look for your alerts if you have activated any. And now, click on the three dots at the bottom of the screen and from Analysis Hub tab, scroll down and tap on Alerts. If you've set any alerts, then you'll see its detail over here. Simply go ahead and tap on the alert, and in the pop-up, you'll see the edit icon. Just tap on it. And now here you can edit your alerts. Update the alert details such as condition, price levels, expiration time, value, etc. You can also go ahead and adjust any notification preferences and review your changes. Make sure everything's okay, and now tap Save to save your changes. And that's how you successfully edit your alert in TradingView. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.